Hi, Jay.
Hello, Lucy.
Today we're talking about how to show cause and effect.
How are we gonna do that?
Well, you know how much I love games, right?
Yeah?
So I thought we could play charades.
Yay!
Okay, I'll go first. I'm going to act out just one word and you guess what it is, okay?
Fine. Okay, good.
Okay.
Tired. Bored.
Okay, well done. Okay, next one.
Lazy? No. Boring.
Perfect!
Yes.
Well done, and great job using ed, ing adjectives.
No way.
Let me show you. So, when you use the ed adjective, you're talking about the receiver or the effect. And when you use the ing adjective, you're talking about the cause. So, the student is bored. She receives the effect. And the teacher is boring. The teacher is the cause.
Okay, so do we always use ed for people and ing for things?
Well, sometimes, because things can't feel, but they can cause feelings. Like a movie can be exciting, but not excited. But not always, right? For example, a person can be bored or boring. So it's better to think about cause and effect.
Okay, and do all adjectives have an ed and an ing form?
That's a good question. No, not all of them do, but there are a lot. Bored, boring, excited, exciting.
Tired and tiring?
Right,
What about worried and worrying?
perfect.
Okay, cool. I think I've got it. So what did we learn today?
We learned how to show cause and effect with ed and ing adjectives. Okay, it's your turn to play charades.
Charades is boring. I know. We can play Candy Crush.
Fine.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.